Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset Apple ID password if you forgot it. So to do this is pretty simple. Head on to your Safari browser and I want you to search I forgot Apple ID. From there you can click the first link that will show right here. It'll redirect you to this Apple ID. So here just place your email, but if you forgot your phone number, just place your email. You can do the same, vice versa, your email or your phone number. So just place a random email, apple.forgot dot or at gmail.com, and then from there it will be reset by email or answer security questions. You can set it by email right here, or you can set it by security questions. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.